magpe-perform today.
And I would definitely defer when it comes to blocking sa'yo. So first service natin dito is their setter Trixie Gohol with a nice serve. Good push dito para kay Judiel Netura. Pop up. Rice Rica Franca. Going for that power tip. Letran. Good power hit right there. And Makilang. Mahabang gali tayo. So it would be a long morning here, but the first attack goes to Mapua, courtesy of Raisa Rica Franca on her more comfortable spot on the right side of the floor.
Actually, nakita ko si Gohol na sumilip muna sa kanyang mga blockers. Sinignan niyo muna yung blockers ng Letran, kung nakapwesto ba yung middle blocker, kung makakahabol ba siya agad. And Rica Blanca got the point.
Very important, no?
Yes.
Nalalagay mo lang dun sa mga spots that you can really activate your attackers. At ayun,
Exactly. She found that hole.
so right there on that lead. Ito nga yung binanggit ko rin kanina when it comes to Roxy and then Cruz, na parang yung laro niya is very versatile. Pagka nilalabas si Gohol, parang secondary, tertiary setter siya ng kanilang koponan.
At least, nakakapag-adjust din siya. Very flexible, kumbaga. Pwede mo rin siyang asahan sa ganong posisyon.
And isa sa mga inaasahan naman ng Letran dito ang sumagot with that middle push kay Royce De La Cruz, and she's now at the service area. Yun lang, service error. One of the things that we pointed out.
Actually, yung unang serve talaga, yung medyo magsiset ng tone mo. Pero syempre, nasa mindset mo rin yon kung dun ba magbabase yung pag-serve mo for the whole set, di ba?
So Frian with a nice flat serve. Makilang. And good up there by the Mapua defense. But Nat Estranier was not able to control that.
Good effort though by Silva. Try niya talagang habulin yung bola. Good attempt.
So Raisa getting another point there. Her second, but another service error here. But for the other team naman, that was Frian Garcia on that error.
Ooh, another
Palitan.
service error.
Oh, is it the nerves or the heat outside?
Hindi natin sure.
Oo, kasi pag ganyan, no, parang it's one of those elementary mistakes that coaches would want to eliminate.
Ang
Parang-
aga pa masyado para mag-error.
Para kung mag-error ka, kunin mo na lang sa atake siguro.
Totoo, totoo.
Diba? Yun yung mga gusto yung out of aggressiveness. And speaking of attacks, one of our most aggressive attackers, Gio Makilang.
Sayang yung free ball na yun. I-over na lang. Nagkaroon pa ng error.
Ano, mabilis ang scoring natin dito, courtesy of the errors from both squads. So right on that side, si Babang Sana, Makilang on the service now. Another attack there by Raisa. Makilang from the backside. Attack error. Point goes to the Mapua Lady Cardinals.
It's an out-of-system ball. Sinubukan i-over, but she committed an error.
So Rica Blanca with 2 early points here. Very impressed with her, the way that she played last game. Right, so Rica Blanca really provided a lot of spice, pero that's too spicy
Yeah.
on that attack.
Long ball ang target, pero nag-error.
So marami tayong errors na nakikita dito for both squads. So Angie Ledesma now on the service area. One of their very scrappy and impressive middle blockers.
Ooh!
Solid hit down the line for
I
Roxy.
know. Yung swing niya doon, full force. Let's check the replay.
And ito nga, nabanggit ni Martin and D'Anton and our fellow teammates here in the coverage that she has a very unorthodox spiking mechanics, di ba?
Actually.
Na parang flick niya yung wrist niya. Kasi
Yes.
usually galing sa baba. Pero yung sa kanya may pectus eh, yung
Totoo.
palo niya. Point here with a check ball. Oh no. It's in.
an outside.
It's an outside. So point goes to the Mapua Lady Cardinals. We're going to our first technical timeout. Sa aming pagbabalik, Diana Igual will give us a report regarding both squads.
Hello mga ka-NCAA! Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Philoil Eco Oil Center kung saan magaganap ang opening ceremony ng NCAA Season 99 Women's Volleyball Tournament. At kikilalanin po natin ang mga players ng ating 10-member schools. I am Lizala Nierbes for NCAA Season 99.
It's official! Last weekend ay opisyal na ngang nagbukas ang Men and Women's Volleyball Tournament ng NCAA Season 99.
Volleyball tournament where both teams are hungry for victory. Coach Hammer and Mika, as much as the performance of each player, the coaches and their ways of motivating are also key players in today's match. For Oliver Almadro of Letran, more than the play strategies, he really believes in the power of motivational words sa kanyang team. At hindi lang ito nagtatapos sa loob ng dugout, pero kung mapapansin nyo nga during the announcement of the starting lineups, palaging may ibinubulong si Coach O sa kanyang first six, and he told me that these are last reminders that he thinks each player needs to perform well on the court. At kung ano ito, tanging si Coach O at ang player lang ang makakaalam. Now, for the side of Coach Aying Esteban, he really focuses more on game plays. But if there's anything, he told me that he always just reminds the team to play their game and to play their best. Coach Hammer and Mika?
Maraming salamat, Diana. 100 ways to skin a cat, and those are two types of motivation para sa
Yes.
magkabilang koponan.
You know, Coach O, hindi ko siya in-expect na magiging ganon na full of motivational quotes. Kasi even though hindi ko pa siya naging coach, parang hindi ko siya in-expect at first na ganun pala siya magsasalita. Ganun pala yung approach niya sa kanyang mga players.
And of course, si Coach Aying naman on the other side, talagang ito volleyball junkie si Coach Aying. So we were able to get to cover his teams in season 97. It's really about the X's and O's and who really challenge the girls.
Yes.
Na iangat yung laro nila. And ngayon, nakapag-recruit na rin siya. He now has the prerequisite pieces na Roxy De La Cruz, Erika Blanca,
Yes.
na bumabagay dun sa sistema niya. Kasi itong Mapua naman is really based on athleticism pag tinitignan mo yung team nila.
Yes. Totoo yan.
And a push there by Yen Martin. Medyo nanggigil on that attack and she's very quiet here. Start of the game.
Medyo maaga pa.
At napatawag din dito ng maagang timeout si Coach Oliver Almadro. I think we'll be listening in to him.
Gusto mong madaliin. Girls, there's nothing to change. You've got to have initiative. You can see the ball. Why are you waiting for everybody to come? Pangalawa, how many spikers? Ba't ang layo mo? Sunod, bakit mo minamadali? May advantage ka eh. Approach properly. Be sound fundamentally. Be sound fundamentally.
There you go. There is fun in fundamentals, as what Coach O has always been preaching the past few games. Di ba? Yung fundamentals,
Yes.
fundamentals.
And ang dami na rin kasi nilang miscommunication. Unang part pa lang ng set, nagtitinginan, nag-aantay sila.
Hesitant, no? Hesitant. Parang, of all the ball sports, ito dapat yung medyo bakaw kayo, no?
Totoo, lahat kayo gusto kumuha ng bola.
A good block right there by De La Cruz and Nitura. I think that's their first kill block of the game. Talking about the Lady Knights. And good roofing here, magkatabi.
Saradong-sarado yung block.
Saka usually, pag hindi katangkaran, I can't stress that enough na pag hindi katangkaran yung team, kailangan yung mechanics nila magkatabi para
Yes,
walang,
saradong-sarado.
walang papasukan talaga yung bola. And a quick hit here to Nicole Ong, specialty of the house.
Ang aga nilang inactivate ulit ang mga middle blockers nila. Good timing by Nicole O. Good set by Gohol.
Kasi, I mean, as a fan watching, Parang once you get that middle blocker, yung dalawa mo ma-activate agad, mas gaganaan sila dumipensa na dumipensa. Tama ba?
Yes.
Yan, isa sa
Totoo
mga
yan.
pinakamahusay na po na middle blocker, mga
Wow,
kapuso.
thank
Nag-confirm. Nag-confirm niyan. A good pop-up here by Lara Silva. Makilang trying to go for that cross-court cut shot. Oh, solid hit by
Ooh.
Frian. The free ball here. Rica Blanca on the tip.
Oh!
Again, aggressiveness.
Good timing by De La Cruz. Sabi sa'yo, wala naman din yan sa advantage na height. Yung timing.
And fundamentals gliding to the left side but using that fingertips ever so
Yes.
slightly. Nahuling natutulog yung nasa harapan ng depensa.
Hindi sila ready mag-cover doon.
Oo, yun yung pinaka-importante. Yung coverage skills din ng mga attackers. And challenging yun dahil yung middle blocker nila yung nasa gitna ngayon for a tall
Yes.
girl. Makilang, hindi napaluan na maganda. So free ball here for Letran. Estrelier activating Ledesma.
Is that a check ball?
Yes, it is.
is. Nice. Nagbabalikan sila ng mga quick attacks dito.
Tsaka sabi ko kasi similar na similar maglaro ng dalawang teams na to. Ang start difference ng nila is Mapua relies on their net defense more. And itong koponan ng Letran covers the backside and number one when it comes to digs and receptions. Makilang. On that tip, hindi siya makakuha ng mga power hits, but getting that two-handed tip was Shia Makilang.
At least there is a variation. Pero dalawang kamay na yung drop ball na yun. Dapat siguro mas mabilis nilang nabasa.
Oo.
Mm-mm.
Tsaka, itong si Makilang, I see a lot of very explosive athleticism in her. And ambidextrous. Again, going for the quick was Mapua. Estelier. Makilang challenging the two blockers. Scramble here, free ball for Letran. Hindi pala free ball, free point.
Second time na nangyari yun na i-over na lang ulit. Nag-commit pa ng error.
May halo na rin gigil.
Yes. Nagmamadali na rin talaga sila.
4-0 run here for the Lady Knights. Nakakakuha na ng buwelo, parang diesel. Medyo mabagal ang simula ng kanilang arangkada dito, pero nakakuha na nga ng buwelo. Guhol setting up Rica Blanca. Challenging two blockers and getting that point.
Let's check the replay. Hindi masyadong nakapasok yung hands ni Ledesma.
Kung kanan yung spiker,
And
sakto
pero
sila.
lefty
No? Pero
siya,
lefty,
yes,
so
totoo.
cut shot papunta sa kabilang side ng floor. Nat Estrelier going for the quick. And Angel Ledesma getting a point at the middle of that defense on that one-on-one against Nicole Hong.
Good set by Estrelier. Alam niya na isa lang yung blocker ni Ledesma.
So Nitura on that flat serve. Gohol. Roxy gets an up.
Ooh, good try.
A for effort, but there's no points in effort when it comes to volleyball. So puntos mapupunta rito sa Mapua courtesy of Roxy De La Cruz. Ito may variation ng attacks ni Roxy.
Yes. Si Coach O, tinuturo niya na yung posisyon na dapat dun ka, dapat nakaabang ka dito.
Again, first ball problems here for Letran. Oh, going down the line. Rinse and repeat. Back-to-back attacks for Roxy De La Cruz. Again, pagka nagka-problema ka sa first ball mo,
Actually, hindi sila nakasarado ng down the line. Ang laki pa ng space para maka-atake siya dun.
for a team that leads the league in digs, medyo kumukuha pa ng mga reads dito.
Yes.
Again, Roxy for the third time and getting another point. And Roxy powers that 3-0 run to bring us to our second technical timeout. Magbabalik po kami.
Good day, sports fans. This is Game On, the very first sports podcast of GMA. Brought to you by GMA Regional TV and Synergy and GMA did she let? My name is Martin Javier.
Half-minute left. Shot clock is down to 4. Manalini. Kaboom!
Let's talk about anything and everything about sports. I am Coach Hammer Martin Antonio.
Ang pinaka-key to be a very good shooter, to be able to score, is repetition.
Makakasama din natin ang inyong mga iniidolo o paboritong atleta mula rito sa bagong-bagong opisina ng GMA
At Letran. And of course, ang ating paborito, one of the best attackers in the men's division, Barbie San Andres, who scored 38 points the other day. Mamaya i-check natin
Wow.
sa ating mga stats, guys, kung ilan ang pinuntos niya kanina. I think panalo sila, no? Earlier, ang Mapua. So, Mapua trying to... Kailangan natin ng confirmation dahil, panalo nga kanina. Gusto ko lang malaman ilan yung in-score ni Barbie kasi 38 nung isang araw, walang gana.
Wala pa siyang
Walang gana.
nun.
Masama yung gising. Masama yung gising. So, balik tayo sa action. Nicole Ong with the service. Running hit by Angele Desma. That goes long.
Hindi masyado nakapwesto sila Desma. Tatargetin niya sana yung long ball, long cross court, but nag-out.
Ayan, mas walang gana daw si Barbie ngayon. 22 lang yung ginawa. 22. So, 30 points in 30 points per game in 2 games.
Grabe naman.
And Gia Makilang with that attack gets a point here for Letran. They scored a 4-0 run na sinagot ng isang 4-0 run din ng Mapua. And then now Gia gets a point. The back set here by Gohol to Rica Blanca.
Good target by Rica Blanca.
So, challenge niya yung backside defense ngayon.
Yes.
Yung secondary.
Actually, yun talaga rin yung target niya ever since. Hindi ko pa siya nakikita na tusok ang
Na bounce
palo.
ball yung pinalo,
Yes.
no? Panay down the line. Pero ito, tusok sa outside. Masyadong malakas. May halong gigil din talaga, no? Ang mga serves ng dalawang teams natin.
Yes.
Quick substitution here for both squads. So Ces Madarang will be going in. And Hannah de Guzman going in. So Madarang, backup setter. And itong si Hannah de Guzman naman, one of their, you can call her a utility opposite spiker. She plugs in a lot of roles in that front attack para dito kay Coach Aying Esteban. So, Angela Desma on the serve. Good serve. Manarang trying to activate Babiera. Back set, Estrelier, Netura. Oh, good life ball there. Estrelier. Martin. Buhay pa rito ang bola. Papaluan dito ni Roxy. Back set again. De Guzman, no go there. Martin, long rally we're seeing. Underhand set. De Guzman. Oh, going for the 1-2 was Estrelier. Oh, Roxy de la Cruz. Wala pa rin tayo ditong puntos. Martin, tingnan natin kung kakargahan. Nandun pa rin yung depensa. And Roxy getting smart and just brushing it off the fingertips of that net defense.
Sabi nga ni Roxy, tatapusin ko na tong long rally na to. Kung atake, kung palo kayo ng palo, ako mag-drop ball ako dito. Magpapa-check out ako.
Oo, marami ng puntos dito. In the first set, si Roxy de la Cruz, sunod-sunod yung kanyang mga naiaambag sa kanyang koponan. And there you go. Sinagot naman siya. Nung kapilitin niya, si Royce de la Cruz on that running hit from the left side to the right side, going down the line yung palo. Ganda rin ang pagkakaset. Kanina pa nila ito sinusubukan.
Yes.
Sinubukan nila kanina kay Ledesma.
Yes. Maganda rin na may ganito kang play na dalawa, kahit dalawa lang yung attackers mo sa harap, na paghihiwalay mo pa rin yung blocker.
Yep. Kumbaga, binamaximize mo yung space. Gagamitin mo. Kung magaling kayo dumipensa sa net, hahatakihin namin kayo sa gilid. Hahatakin namin kayo.
True.
And yung palo ni Hannah de Guzman goes to outside, on the side. The point goes to Letran. They're trailing. 15 serving 19. Nat Estrelier, one of the more impressive setters natin dito, who improved her game a lot. Kargadong palo ni Frian Garcia. Kay Guzman. Binasag yung depensa ng Letran.
Nagiging effective na yung substitution dito ni Coach Aying.
Kamalanin yung rotation niya.
Yes.
Kasi si De Guzman was a starter last season. But now, given nagkaroon sila ng Rica Blanca, and
Yes.
she's a willing off-the-bench scorer and attacker ngayon para kay Coach Aying. Martin, kanina pa niya sinusubukan niyang
Soft tip.
soft tip, pero wala. Pero doon, nagka-scramble.
Siguro if may better timing pa. Kasi basang-basa na ng blockers niya eh. Nakataas na yung kamay niya and nasusundot pa.
She's on the service area. Talking about Yen Martin. Siya ang maglalatag nitong ating sequence. Manarang. Going to Garcia. And
Ito ko yung reaction ni Coach O.
parang gustong i-receive ni Coach O eh. So tingnan natin ha. It's right here on the tip.
Was it a check ball?
Mukhang net yun siya eh. Pero buti na lang, hindi ako official.
Check. Check. De, check daw.
So tingnan natin for our officials. First, ang ating first referee, Justin Cruz. And our second
Yung
referee,
second ref, nakita niya, siya nakakita,
Larry
inassist sa akin.
Escorial. So it's a check ball.
Yes.
So point goes to Mapua.
Kasi pinaglalaban nila kanina na outside daw.
Yan yung mga gusto natin, yung pinaglalaban tayo.
Totoo.
Yan! So konting balasa dito ng tao. At time out dito si Coach O. Tingnan natin kung anong mga paalala yung bibigay niya.
Sunod, kahit ano yung contest natin, if we'll not follow the system, it's useless. We have to follow the pattern, useless, and game plan. We have to stick to that and be patient. I don't care kung madepensahan nila. I don't care kung makapunto sila. We have to be patient and follow the system, follow the game plan. Start pa lang ang volleyball, nag-i-start pa lang ang game. Do you understand? Do you understand? Do you understand? Huwag mong hula. Sumunod sa sistema.
Follow the script, follow the system. Kanina, fun in fundamentals. Ngayon, hindi ka mananalo ng first set.
Yes.
Yun yung pinapaalala ni Coach Oliver na you have to let the game get into you and you have to stick with the things that you have to do.
Yes, and napansin ko rin na kanina pa yung mga players ni Coach O, hindi nga, wala rin masyado sa pwesto, hindi nakakasunod sa pattern, especially sa kanilang defense.
So ito, may mga reminders dito ang ating officials. That's first
yellow card,
referee Justin Cruz. So may warning dito for the Lady Knights. I think it would be on Coach O.
Nadadala na tayo ng emotions natin minsan.
Ah, syempre. Kasama yan. Kasama yan sa paglalaro. Yan ang pinakamasarap maglaro. Pero kailangan check. Check.
Totoo.
Controlled reach.
Totoo.
Ika nga. And speaking of controlled reach, that was a powerful hit by Nitura. Good pop-up here by Silva. So, Royce De La Cruz with a quick. Babawian mo ng quick dito ni Nicole Ong. Hindi niya napalo ng maigi. Kargadong palaw ni Gia Makilang. Naapula. Masyadong sa ilalim ang palo doon ni Frian Garcia.
Flat ball pa. Siguro tinatry niya ipa-check pero nasa ilalim kasi siya ng bola eh.
Kaya medyo palobo. Yung
Palobo.
palo. So, diretso naman. Diretso nga lang sa outside. So, gusto sana niyang ipatama dun sa kamay.
Yes.
So, Royce De La Cruz on the service. Back set. Rica Blanca. Popped up by Martin Makilang. Free ball here for Letran. Back set. Nitura. Good defense there by Gohol. Rica Blanca. Good block. Garcia ngayon, going for that cross-court down the line.
Even though meron silang mga poor first ball na hindi nila nako-convert kasi ang daming pinibigay ng Letran na free balls for Mapua, hindi nila nako-convert at first but finally, nakakuha ng puntos ngayon si Garcia.
Saka the volume of attacks that Mapua has been getting.
Yes.
That's a lot.
Mm-mm.
At saka meron silang mga capable attackers talaga. Last year, it was just Roxy and si Hannah. For some time, Nicole Ong sa gitna. Pero ngayon, kahit saan dali ni Trixie yung bola, medyo may tulog. So Gohol now, trying to activate that middle again. Estelier with a kneeling underhand set, going for that cross court. It goes to the outside. Mahirap na setup drop, underhand. Ventura going for that cross court. So here's Frian Garcia on the serve. Good looking serve. Makilang getting roofed and blocked.
Nice block.
Basang-basa.
Good timing for Mapua. Saradong-sarado.
Tsaka si Rica Blanca, despite her not being as tall as Nicole Ong, she has long limbs. Mahaba yung wingspan niya.
Yung talon nga niya, natatouch niya muna yung floor eh.
Haba ng wingspan niya. Yung vertical wingspan. Reach rather. Estrier, pinasok na si Lea Tapang. And getting a point here on net touch.
Yes. Nanggigil. Gusto siguro ulit makakuha ng kill block.
Definitely. So Lea Tapang making her presence felt right away, forcing the Lady Cardinals to commit an error. Here comes Netura with that ace out of her pocket. Trying to save a handful of set points here. So Lady Knights, and that was the first one saved.
Tsaka tinignan niya yung katabi mo. Dapat yung one step backward pag-release, tapos harang muna dun sa bola eh. Tapos magtitinginan kayo. Di ba? Isa na lang yan. Gawin nyo lang mas. Play one nyo, tapos tuloy lang. Pag maganda, tuloy ang play. Pag wala, ready sa dulo. Sina sa dulo. Roxy? Receive tayo!
Few reminders by Coach Aying Esteban to get to that play one. And huwag magtinginan lang.
Pero kailangan pa rin nila ng isang magandang first ball para makapag-execute ng play for this 1 point.
Totoo kasi actually throughout the first set, no, Mika, the whole time, parang paambon-ambon yung maganda nilang first ball. Kasi minsan si Trixie pa nga yung setter nila, which is the ultimate sin when it comes to volleyball. Yung setter mo pa yung unang sumasalo ng first ball.
Yes, oo. Kulang sila ng communication dyan.
Goal. Going to Rica Blanca, getting it by the arms of the defenders ng Lady Knights. That takes care of set number 1. The Mapua Lady Cardinals taking care of business here, 25-19. Courtesy of that hit by Rica Blanca.